Alright, here's a short demonstration about how to use the area model when multiplying 2 by 2 or 2 by 3 digit numbers. So first we're going to take 2-digit numbers. Let's go 26 times 42. Alright, the very first thing we're going to do is make a rectangle. Alright, next what I want to do is I want to partition these numbers. So I will partition the 26 here, 20 is in 2 tens, and then I'm going to make a line over here to represent the 6 ones. So the 20 obviously is a much bigger space because it is, 2 tens, whereas this is only 6 ones, it makes this space. And then on this side I'm going to do 40, and then way down here I'm going to do 2. So this is very similar to the grid model and the grid method, but this is a more of a visual representation of the size of numbers you're going to get for each space. This multiplied together will obviously give you the biggest number, whereas these two numbers multiplied together will give you the smallest number. So for example, 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 2 zeros is 800. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 0 is 240. This is 2 times 20 is 40, and the smallest number is 2 times 6, which is 12. Now all I do is I take the numbers to the side and I can add them up together to get my answer. The area model can also be done with larger